Yo, what's going on YouTube? What's going on Back to the Money gang? I want to say, man, I hope everybody having a positive day today. Hope everybody having a great day as well. But I got this video because I got a special thing for y'all today. Whoa, no copyright. Let me turn that down. So, but yes, I got a new mod for y'all today, so stay tuned. The new mod is, I ain't gonna tell you, but yeah, just stick around. Got a new mod today. It came in today. I was supposed to have 2 new mods for y'all today, but it didn't come in. Only 1 came in today. So that other mod is not gonna probably come till later on, probably next week, because I had to call Phastek about that. But you know, still shout out to Phastek though, because man, they the best. But my other mod came in today, so later on today I will show you what the new mod is and we're gonna install it. So you know, with that being said, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and also let me know how I'm doing, people. And I want to say thank y'all for just taking the time out y'all day for just looking at my video, and also just leaving a comment or something or hitting that subscribe button. So thank y'all. We'll be back. Yo, we back people. Back on the whip now, back at work. As you can see, got the new mod sitting right here. Man, that green bow tie looks so good on the car. That's my color I'm going with, black and neon green. This is the boogeyman, people. But yeah, got that new mod sitting right there, about to get ready to do. Also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing as well. Today, I'm going to be doing, let me go ahead and show you. Today, I am going to be putting on my oil catch can. Whoa. I'm putting this on today. I got half of it kind of broke off. I got to remove this bolt right here. As you can see, I already got this taken off already. Let me go ahead and try to zoom in. I had to, it's like really tucked up under here. I had to remove it from right here, and you also got one like right here. These 2 right here, people. I'm gonna be putting on the oil catch can today. This is another mod for the boogeyman. The boogeyman mods are coming along real well. I am gonna do these. I think I'm gonna do these neon green. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do that as well. Also, this will be coming out too as well. That air intake. Don't know when. Just let y'all know when y'all find out. But yeah, feel free to go ahead and get this installed right now. Some people want to know what an oil catch can is. I wanted to know what an oil catch can is, so I'd end up doing my research. The one I originally had was a Mishimoto, but they was out of stock on that, couldn't even find it. Man, they say it would probably be back in the end of August. So call the people at Phastek. Once, shout out to Phastek. I will put their description down there below. For any Camaro car needs, they are the people, man. They're real good people over there, man. Oh, what's that over there? Okay, that's the Lexus making that noise. But yeah, went on ahead and went with the JLT. The JLT 3.0. I mean, they say it's good. Got a lot of reviews on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with that as well. So that being said, yeah, man. All right, I got half of my catch can hooked up already. I meant to tell you, you're gonna need a 15mm socket. I use the socket. I put it on this one right here. They said it wouldn't work without the strut mount. I don't have a strut bar across my thing, so I'm putting it right here on this bar right here on this second thing. As you can see, wow, it's a perfect good setup. And from what I've been reading is, I believe your J hose, this is the J hose, is gonna go down to, let me see if I can get it. It's gonna go down to the bottom right there. It's gonna go down to that bottom hose, and on that T side, it's gonna connect into your intake. So with that being said, yeah, man, like I say, man, this is an easy, quick mod to do to your vehicle, and I do recommend it for your vehicle. I mean, if you got a supercharger, either V6, 3.6, 6.2, but yeah, man, it's real easy, real simple, man, and it keeps some of the stress off your engine as well, too. It won't have all that oil and stuff castrating, silking all on your intake and the side. But yeah, man, just back to the money. I'm about to finish this. Also, please make y'all subscribe, leave a comment as well, let me know how I'm doing. Better get back hooking up my oil catch can, because I will be racing this Sunday. I'm gonna give you some footage too as well. I got my cousin in town. He does have a Dodge Scat Pack 392. So I told him I ain't wanna do nothing until I got my oil catch can. So now I got my oil catch can now, so now I'm ready to do something, baby. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in to my channel. Thank y'all for just, man, I must say, man, the mod is real cheap to get. Mod is like, I got it from Phastek like for like $130. I believe probably even cheaper than that, but I am really done with the mod. The mod really only took 10 minutes, people. 10 minutes. I'm going ahead and gonna show you the finished product right now. Like I say, man, I am a handyman. Anything I can do on my own, I will do it myself. So, man, look at that. Nice setup. I already got the hoses in there already as well. Got everything plugged in. Now I'm gonna try to find a way I can make this neon green. I've already been talking about that, been thinking about that. That already popped in my head. But yeah, the setup is nice, setup is beautiful. I mean, I love it. So, man, JLT 3.0, baby. Man, shout out to Phastek once again, man, for all the parts they delivered to me. I do have one more mod coming, and I'm gonna chill out for a minute. Well, maybe not, but yeah, but I don't know. But yeah, man, this is how you do the oil catch can, man. It's real easy. Hit up Phastek, man. I'm gonna put that comment down below, man. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, so you can go hit them for all your Camaro needs. And like I was telling you earlier, the boogeyman is coming along real well. I'm gonna go ahead and get this boogeyman right, so when I get ready to race it Sunday, it'll be ready. But it's not just gonna be super fast, but you know, I'm just trying to get all the stuff that I can take safety cautions like oil catch cans, so I can keep my engine. Don't want to blow that up. But yeah, man, I'm gonna also do other videos too as well on other stuff. It's real easy because I'm a real handyman. I do like doing stuff myself. If I can't do it myself, I would take it to the shop, but that's only if it's something that I cannot do. But anything I can do, I will show you, and I will put it on my channel. But as always, leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Just want to say thank you. I know y'all tired of seeing me in my work uniform. This is where I'm always at work, always grinding, getting back to the money. I only get Sundays off, so Sunday is my fun day. So, man, I think I'm gonna love this new mod, the oil catch can. I want to see how much oil this catches, because they say you're supposed to check it every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to check it at 5,000 miles and see if it's really doing this job, see if this thing is really talking about, because I really wanted to go to Mishimoto. So y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know which one y'all think. I do have the JLT 3.0, but let me know about that Mishimoto, man. I went to the actual website to try to go get the Mishimoto. They was even sold out, so that's how I know that's a really good one. I may change it up later on, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and go with the JLT. So that's how you just do an oil catch can. It's real easy, real simple, man. The mod only took me 15 minutes, not even less than 15 minutes. And these are all the tools you really need. A 15, probably not even a 10. I just used a 10 to take these off right here, so I can get up in here and just into the intake. But as far as that, man, look at the nice setup. The setup is real nice. I can actually have room and access to get to my can and twist it off as well. Tools are real easy. And this is what you're gonna be taking off, people. You don't need this. This is a no-no. Get this out of there. Get this out of there. Throw that in the box. But I want to say to y'all once again, man, thank y'all for tuning in. For me doing an oil catch can on my 2018 Chevy Camaro SS 6th Gen. This is back to the money. And this right here is the boogeyman. And we up out of here, people.